Okay, this is the demonstration for Corey Swainston and Jeremy Schlotman's project for CS246. I'm going to be demonstrating some of the functionality of our app, which is a heartburn food journal, as testified by our sweet logo that we've got there. And so the idea is that in this app we can keep track of what you eat, and it organizes it by date. And then you can also keep track of a rating between 0 and 10 of how bad your heartburn is at any given time, so that you can see what patterns might be causing heartburn in your diet. And so as you can see, we have a list. I put some dummy entries in just so that we could have entries from different days. And if we go to our calendar, you see if you click on a specific day, you can see the entries only for that day. If I click on today, you'll see I've put in a few already, and if I hit this, then it will clear the filter and you're able to see all of the entries. If you click on an entry, then you're able to edit it. So you see I've had a chicken salad. I wrote down that I had lettuce and spinach and ranch dressing. I can add a rating for my heartburn, say it was a 10, and submit that, and it will alter it, or I can alter the title, and that will also be changed as well. Now, if you desire to make a new entry, then you just hit this button. You can go ahead and type that. If you don't have a title, then it will just leave that empty. You can put text in here. You could also add an entry of your rating from 0 to 10, and as you see, it just has the entry there. So if you even wanted to just put, let's say you haven't eaten anything, but you just wanted to say, well, I'm feeling it really bad right now, and you wanted to be able to keep track of that, then you'd see the time, and you'd see that it was an 8 at that time. So you can scroll through here and see what those patterns were and what might be causing that heartburn. One thing that was I thought was a really difficult but enjoyable part of the process was just getting this list adapter working. We had to create a custom list view, or a custom adapter rather, with a custom XML view for each of these. It's passable. It works. It organizes in a way that you can understand. We probably could have made it just a little bit more user-friendly, but for lack of time, weren't able to. I was really happy with the way that Jeremy set up the entire user interface, and each of these buttons and the icons, they just look really nice and smooth. The calendar was really convenient. Just comes straight from Android, obviously. But I really enjoyed the process of getting all of this to be presented in a intelligible manner. I also we were using Firebase to store all the information, and though there wasn't any kind of authentication, it was still a process to figure out how to insert things into the Firebase, and also to create the listeners to pull items out. And so all in all, this was a really enjoyable and good learning experience. I think it turned out really well, and we were able to meet all of our goals. And so that's just about everything that we've got. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you.